In this video, I'll show you how to add a transition between two clips in DaVinci Resolve, super quick and easy. So make sure your clips are already placed on the timeline and touching each other with no gaps in between. Now, go to the Effects panel. Here you'll find different transition options like cross dissolve, smooth cut, fade, and more. To apply a transition, just click and drag the one you like onto the cut between your two clips. It will automatically snap into place. But if it doesn't apply and nothing happens, that means the clips don't have enough overlapping frames to allow the transition. To fix this, trim a few frames off the end of the first clip and the beginning of the second. Then try dragging the transition again. It should work now. You can adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the transition directly on the timeline, and if you want to fine-tune it, just select it and open the inspector panel. And that's it. You've added a smooth transition to your video in seconds. If this helped, consider subscribing for more fast editing tutorials. See you in the next one.